I've just been out to collect some flowers so that I can make some pressed dried flowers. Pressing some flowers in less than a minute like I did in one of my last videos. In that video I laid some of the pressed dried flowers into resin to make some keyrings and jewellery. But today I'm going to use these flowers just slightly differently. To press the flowers super quickly, I'm going to be using this mini HTV ront heat press, which is super handy, but don't worry if you don't have anything like this, you can use your home iron. So collect some flowers and leaves. I have a chopping board, a piece of fabric and some baking parchment. I folded the baking parchment in two and laid the flowers on one half of the sheet. One piece of thick fabric is underneath the sheet to protect the board and absorb some of the moisture. The most delicate and tiny flowers are going to work well for this. Envelope the flowers inside like this, add some more fabric on top, and then we take something like our iron or heat press, then press firmly with the heat on high, waiting for about 20 to 30 seconds. The flowers I'm using are really delicate, so it doesn't take that long at all. Open up the package and see how dry they are. You can repeat this process if necessary. But do make sure you use something non-stick, as when I use just paper, they get completely stuck to the paper or card. Why, you ask? Why are you filing your nails? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to use them for. The dried flowers can be used in our nail art. In my last dried flowers video, a lovely subscriber said she put her dried flowers on her nails, so that's exactly what I went and did next, whatever else. I first of all prepared my nails and added a base coat. Then gently took the dried flowers and placed these on top. Then I set these in place with another coat. The really thin and delicate flowers are more ideal as they really bend into shape around the nail. Some of the thicker ones like this just take a little bit more encouragement, but you can put them under the nail lamp and then give them a little bit of encouragement down like I am here. You could add a coloured nail polish on first and experiment with lots of different designs. I've just tried a few variations out here and it's really quite easy to apply, and I think this one here is my favourite of all. Would you have a go and do this yourself, or maybe you have been for a long time? Please do comment below. The HTV ront mini heat press that I have is actually made for attaching your heat vinyl onto fabric. This is why I have it and what I do use it for, and it's super handy and super small and useful. We cut the vinyl on a cutting machine. Weed the vinyl to reveal the design. This can then be placed on your t-shirt, bag or fabric. Then with the use of the mini heat press and some pressure, the vinyl adheres to the fabric, leaving you with gorgeous results that are super creative. Links to all the products I've used are in the description below this video. I love all craft and creative projects, and that's what I love to share with you all here on my channel. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next creative video. Bye for now.